record a video 3 days ago, 4 days ago. And the microphone stopped working because it's the Hero 5 and the mic adapters are pretty shockingly shite. And then tried to record one this morning and the SD card decided to take a shit. So fingers crossed I can actually get a video out for you now. It was absolutely freezing this morning, but I thought, I know this country, I know it's going to rain again soon. So while it was dry, I'd try and get something recorded for you guys. So I've got no real topic or anything to talk about. I just don't want to leave it too long without making a video. Oh god, it feels nice to be back on the bike anyway. I think if you really do love bikes, getting back in a car is torture. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, the Hero 5 as an action camera is pretty rubbish, isn't it? Let's be honest. I mean, the fact you need a mic adapter is pretty crap considering you didn't need one on the 4. And when you do use the mic and you plug in the mic adapter, you got to take the little door off the side of the camera, which then means it's not waterproof. So it's almost like they took a step backwards. I've had no end of problems with it recently. Why is all the traffic here? But anyway, it's nice to be back. Nice to be back on a bike. Got a bit of sun. It's an old house. I'm guessing there's got to be roadworks around here somewhere. What are we looking at? Roadworks? Yeah, there's a roadworks sign. Yeah. Man in a hole. What you doing? England is one big roadwork. Why is this dude in the middle of the road? Why doesn't he move over so I can get past? That's a fuzzy dog. Yeah, if you ever come to England, expect it to be one big roadwork with traffic lights everywhere. If you expect that, you can't really go wrong. Ooh, bike friend. Should have bumped him. Bump him for dominance. Bonk. Bonk. There's a few things that annoy me about driving in general. Traffic lights, roadworks, and cyclists. And I know the last one's going to piss off some people, but it's true. Cyclists are very annoying. And caravans, thinking about it, caravans are definitely on the list. Cyclists, I don't mind. I mean, I've started something here, haven't I? Cyclists. Cyclists are annoying. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get the ones that are just cycling to get to work, or it is their main transportation, and I can live with that, you know, that's fine, they're getting around. But it's the ones that meet up in groups of anywhere from 5 to about 30, and they all ride around in lycra, and they're not a member of a real cycling club. They just do it because they think it looks cool or something. Oh, you know I'm following you. You know I'm following you. Yeah, so they'll ride around in Lycra. They don't use bike paths, which it annoys the crap out of me. I mean, there's a bike path for a reason. Use it. I mean, if I could have a bike path, I'd use it, because then I wouldn't be in the way of everybody else and I'd get a nice clean stretch of path to ride on. Nothing in my way. But nope, they want to be a car. They want to sit on proper roads, annoying everybody and holding everyone up. Get a better hobby. Get a better hobby. Stop wearing Lycra. You're a grown man. You're not a superhero. You've got no reason to wear it. Probably going to piss off a load of people saying that. I managed to get out of work early today, which is cool. One of the other lads turned up and said they'll take over. I appreciate that. Of course it's red. They're always red. I'm fogging up. I need to find my what they call it, pin lock visor. Me and the girlfriend have got the same helmet. Oh, you nearly had an accident, didn't you? Me and the girlfriend have got the same helmet, and like between us like 3 or 4 different visors, and the pin lock's on one of them, but I just don't know which one. It's definitely not on this one. It's that time of year again when things are fogging up. I'm hungry, I want to go home. I know the girlfriend's left me some chili con carne. I'm trying to get out at least 1 video a week. I mean, I do appreciate anyone that's watching in so far. I really do. You guys are awesome. And it's not that I don't want to make content, I really do. It's just, I do run my own business. I do split shifts. I work like 4 hours in the morning, go home for a couple of hours in the middle of the day, and then I go back in the evening for another 4 hours. So the first 4 hours are like social media stuff, website stuff, emails, that kind of thing, food plans, and then go home, chill out for a bit, eat food, and then go back in the afternoon, and that's when I just have like sessions with my clients. And I'm doing that 5 days a week, and then Saturdays and Sundays I just work the mornings, and in the afternoons spend time with the girlfriend. So pretty busy life. 1 video a week for me at the minute is a good target. We've just started walking. We just started working with a lady to do our social media for the business, so hopefully she can show me some tricks for that, get that up and running. Well, it is up and running, but get it more popular, get more people looking at it, and then whatever I learn from her for the business I can then bring on over to the channel, see if we can get more views, more people. So yeah, hopefully she comes in and like streamlines stuff and gets me more confident doing the videos, gets me more confident and competent doing social media in general. I really haven't had much experience doing it. I opened my business 2 years ago. The line of work I'm in now, you do need social media, but the stuff I did previous, I didn't need it at all. Like, I worked for people. I've done all kinds of things. I was a bricklayer for a while. I got qualified to do like body repair on cars, got qualified to do mechanics. I worked in logistics for 5 to 7 years, whatever that was. So yeah, I am still learning it all. But I'm getting there, I think. Cyclist, get on the path. Oh, this social media lady, she wants me to do a blog to do with my work, and that's something I'm not comfortable doing. 'cause my reading and writing is appalling. But she also wants me to do like a vlog for fitness. So she wants me like facing the camera so everyone can see me talking, explaining things. I'm not comfortable with that whatsoever. I like doing this because I'm behind the camera. You guys can't see me. So it's just easier to talk, you know? I always feel stupid when I'm sitting in front of a camera looking at it, talking to the camera and there's no one there. Some people do it super naturally. And everyone says you get better with experience, but I don't know. Put a camera on me, I'll freak out, I'll freeze. I don't like it. Right, anyway. This is the part of the road where the audio will go rubbish. So I'll say goodbye to you now because I think the battery's going to die anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good weekend. Look after yourself, ride safe. Peace.